everyone. How are you doing today? Are you ready to sing and play? Our first song is going to be with Miss Amy. She's going to play the guitar and she's going to do the good morning song with us.
Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, and how do you do? Your face is like sunshine, it brings me good cheer. I'm happy to see you, I'm so glad you're here.
What's your favorite instrument, Alex? Was that the trumpet?
Yeah.
Did you like Michael playing the trumpet for us last time?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your favorite instrument, Katarina?
The violin.
Okay, you play the violin, right?
Yes.
You practice every day. Later on, we're going to listen to some more instruments. But now, let's hear some animals. Let's listen. It's the bear. The bear. Oh, there's the frog. Everyone, be the frog now. Jump as long as the frog music is playing.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Oh, hello. Hi, Miss Justina. Oh, okay, I will tell them. Okay, bye. That was Miss Justina. She thinks that the next animal that she's going to play for you guys is too hard for you to guess. So she wanted me to tell you that it's a starfish. Katarina and Alex, do you want to show us the starfish jump? And then we're going to go to Miss Justina and she's going to play it for us. Go ahead. And jump. And jump.
Hi friends, can I see your starfishes? Great job!
That was a lot of jumping. Thank you, Miss Justina. Sit back down, guys, and get your hands ready for our action song for today. Open, shut them. And
Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Put them in your
lap, lap, lap. The next one is going to be loud and quiet. Let's try. boys and girls? Did you notice how we went up and down and long and short and loud and quiet, also with our voices? Cool, right? Hey boys and girls, I wanted to show you something. This is a music note, and it's made out of two parts. This is the
Neck.
and this is the
Head.
so the neck and the head. It can also be upside down. It doesn't matter. Okay? So from now on, our puppies are in the music notes. How silly is that? Those puppies are now music notes. Oh my God, look at the mess around us. The balls exploded all over the room. What do we do now? Oh, I know. We have to match the right size and the right color of the ball to the caterpillar or the music note. Come on, let's do it. Who can do it faster? What's that on your heads, guys?
My caterpillar Joey.
And who's this?
My caterpillar.
Okay, guys, we did a caterpillar craft this week, and we also learned how to sing a caterpillar song. Before we sing it together, Katarina's friend Sofia is practicing the caterpillar song for her exam next month. So let's go over to hear her play.
Hi, my name is Sophia, and this is the violin, and I'm going to be playing Caterpillar.
That was amazing, Sophia. Thank you so much for playing the caterpillar song. By the way, you're going to do super well at your exam. Now let's all sing the caterpillar song together. Your little caterpillars, and let's go.
Caterpillar, you are such a pretty sight. Caterpillar, green and yellow, black and white. Take care what you do, robins are watching you. Take care what you do, sparrows are
Chasing you, caterpillar, creep away and hide you soon. Caterpillar, spin yourself a warm cocoon.
dark and silent long till you are a butterfly. Dark and silent line
Till you are a butterfly. Let's fly over to Miss Amy and do a caterpillar craft.
But I'm gonna fly away for real life.
Okay, you fly away now.
Me too.
Hi friends, today Simon and I are going to show you how to make a musical instrument out of these. You know what this is? Let me show you. These are egg cartons. Here we go. You can cut them up like this way, long. But today we're going to use this. We need 3 bumps. Let's start painting. I have red and orange and yellow, just like the puppies on the piano. Let's start painting. This is a paintbrush, just a regular paintbrush. Simon, do you want to paint too? You can use another type of brush, a big brush like this. And you can even use this. Does anybody know what this is? You're right, it's a toothbrush. Today we're going to use it for painting. And there we go. My musical instrument is done. Let's try playing it. You can get a stick. You start tapping it. Your turn, Simon. I think Simon likes it. You can paint a long one too. So you can tap more. And that's it. I hope you like that.
That was a cool craft, Miss Amy. Thank you. Now you all have a do-re-mi caterpillar. How cool is that? Okay, let's get ready to sing our puppy song. Puppy do, re, and puppy mi.
3 little puppies went out one day to the park to run and play. The red puppy's name is Do Do Do. Call him now, now, Do Do Do. 3 little puppies went out one day to the park to run and play. The orange puppy's name is Ray, Ray, Ray. Call him loud now, Ray, Ray, Ray. 3 little puppies went out one day to the park to run and play. The yellow puppy's name is Me, Me, Me. Call him loud now, Me, Me, Me.
Now that we remembered our puppy names from last time, now let's try to sing the song Hot Cross Buns using those puppy names. This will help us know which puppy to touch when we're playing the song on our little pianos right after this. And again. Good job, boys and girls. You sing the puppy name for the very end. Let's sing our The More We Get Together song. Get your hands ready. Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye.
You guys, go get some jelly beans now.